Hi everyone, I hope you're well and you're staying inside. Is the coronavirus crisis, is it a crisis or is it an opportunity? Of course, it's an obstacle to what we'd like to do at this time, but it's also a tremendous opportunity to do things that we couldn't have done otherwise. And let me explain. Um, I believe it's time to dig, and I'll tell you what I mean by that in three sections. Let's start with awareness. Awareness is the opportunity that we have to look at the past, look at where we are, and look at the future, where we would like to be. And most of us think that we have plenty of time to do that, but this is an opportunity to examine that the remaining time we have on this planet is calculated with this formula. If we expect to live 80 years minus our age, let's say 50, divided by 3, this is the actual time that we have. Why? Because we spent 1/3 of our 24 hours asleep, 1/3 at work, and we only have 1/3, in my case, 10 years. See, if you're 50 divided by 3 is 30 years divided by 3, 10 years left. So with that realization, you need to decide what you will do to make the most of your time left and what you will not do. A great exercise is my wheel of life, where you look at all of the areas of your life, and then you assess them by putting a mark in each one of these. Then you connect the dots. It's a good exercise to help you realize where you need to focus. So once you realize that this is where you want to go, you need to set goals. And these goals should be connected with your values. So you need to see yourself in the future. Where would you like to be? And then you need to decide what are the things that you need to be doing today. What are your number one priorities? So, for instance, if that's my number one priority, you need to check what you need to do every day to make sure that you're going to get there. Do these two correspond? If not, why? So you need to decide on a plan. What do you need to learn to get in a better position? Who can help you? And what will you do? When and how? And the third, the final area, is the section where we discuss your options now that you're having a lot of time at home. And these are in different areas. Number one, for instance, is professional development. This is an opportunity to learn new skills, to improve your CV, you build your CV, to apply for new jobs, to create a website, or you can look at your personal development as an individual. I would start by learning how to do quickly and excellent Google Power searches. I would probably develop skills that are most wanted by the industry, for instance, critical thinking. You could attend a course, a free course, a MOOC. You can get a degree if you want. You can spend your time looking at TED Talks and podcasts, and you can become a Superman using this time, this downtime. Or you can, at certain times of the day, you can relax by meditating, listening to music, learning how to dance, attending YouTube classes in almost any area you'd like. You can also get fitter. You can exercise at home without any equipment. There's dozens of nutrition and fitness applications. And in general, you can learn how to work smarter. For instance, instead of typing, you can dictate on Google Docs or on your phone. You can learn how to cook. You can read books. You can get organized. You can clean up. You can connect with your family, your relatives, and your friends. You can help others. Just remember, don't hang around with the turkeys if you want to fly with the eagles. Finally, if you want to spend time with the kiddies, you can find dozens of applications, dozens of websites that can help you and them become cleverer. In conclusion, there's plenty of time for self-pity and misery, or there's time to dig and connect with loved ones. It's your choice, but you need to start thinking differently and acting differently. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you're going to keep on getting what you've been getting. You can find lots of links and the full article in this link. Thank you very much. Enjoy your time.